Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. It's me, FoodMan Paul Blogs, and I'm here for another food review. And this review is, guys, for the mini wheats honey. And this is the special edition. So guys, we're talking about healthy cereals. Mini wheats comes in the first place. It's one of my first options, to be honest. I've been having mini wheats for years, and it's also wonderful because one of the thing about mini wheat has a lot of fiber, nutritional fiber. This cost me, guy, $4.65. So I'm gonna read here the nutritional content. I didn't have time to make a camera angle for this, so I'm just gonna read it out of the box. Alright, so this one have for 30 small biscuit, 190 calories, fat 1 gram, carbohydrates 46 grams, fiber 6 grams, sugars 11 grams, protein 5 grams, cholesterol 0 grams, sodium 10 grams, potassium 175 milligrams, calcium 20 milligrams, iron 13%, thiamine 8%, niacin 9%, vitamin B 10%, folate 5%, pantothenate 8, phosphorus good 10, magnesium 40 milligrams, zinc 1 milligram, magnesium 46%. Ingredients are whole grain wheat, sugars, sugar, honey, natural flavor, annatto, gelatin, BHT contains wheat. All right. Look like a happy box. Look at that happy box, honey, all that. So let me try a little bit with no milk. This is a brand new box. Oh, it's pretty sealed. That's it. Oh yeah. Honey here. Oh yeah. Tastes nice. Yeah, it tastes honey. It tastes honey for me. Oh yeah. Smell like honey. Smell like herb honey. Yeah. Got some milk here. Some milk here. All right, we're good. Let's try some of this. They're like herb with honey. Wow, this is amazing. I love the flavor. Tastes so healthy. You're in good health. You know, you're eating healthy when you try this, man. All right. Tastes good. Emma said. This one pretty good, man. It has the, I must say, it has more than a hint of honey. It has more honey than I thought. I thought it's gonna have maybe like a little smear, like a little hint. No, it has really good honey. It have a very strong honey flavor. But the thing that I like most is that it tastes like a combination of honey and herbs. It tastes mostly like what it brings me is like a combination of rosemary honey. You know, I don't know if you ever guys have tried rosemary honey. This is what it tastes like. Like when the honey is been cooked together with rosemary, you know, that's what it tastes like. That's amazing. It tastes delicious. It tastes like it give you more. To give you that extra healthy flavor and that aroma flavor of the rosemary with the honey. It's too hard. You gotta try that. It's really, really, really my advice to you, my honest thought, give it a try. It's pretty good. The Kellogg's Special Edition Honey Mini Wheats. Try this. No joke. It's pretty good. Try it. Give it a try. I'm giving this from 1 to 10. I'm giving it a 10. No doubt. No doubt. I highly recommend it. You can find it in Walmart. You're at Walmart or any of these stores. I just find it in Walmart. I bought it from there. All right? All right, guys. You got my green light. Tell the FoodMan Post blog send you. Please share your thoughts and your comment below in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next video.